Hey guys, Joe Rapisarda here. Hey, I want to talk to you about my book, Awaken Your Power. I wrote it years ago, and it's how to use the law of attraction and universal laws that apply in life to all of us, and they apply whether we realize they're there or not. So if we can learn to use them to our advantage, they can help us have a happier, more successful life, just enjoying it. All right, so I want to go over today a poem that came to me in a dream. I woke up out of this dream with a rush of inspiration, and I've never really been much of a poem writer or anything else like that. It just came to me, and as quick as I could, I wrote it down. And to this day, I think it was a gift from higher level. Anyways, it goes like this. It's about how to use the law of attraction, and it's ironic that I've used this poem many times for myself whenever I've gone through challenging times or so, to redirect myself on how to use the law of attraction. So let's go talk about it. It goes like this. It's called Thoughts or Things. It goes, whatever you think, whatever you feel, it doesn't matter if it's make-believe or if it's real. Thoughts are things that go out into the unknown to bring you back whatever you've sown. Positive thoughts vibrate high, while negative thoughts vibrate low. Just focus on your own thoughts to see how your future will go. You see, your thoughts are a map of where you're headed, and your feelings decide if that direction is welcome or if it's dreaded. So change how you think to change how you feel, and watch how the universe attracts to you that which you have made real. Well, I hope you enjoyed that poem. I use it all the time, so let me just go through and break it out just a little bit how it's going there. So it goes, whatever you think, whatever you feel. So whatever you think, whatever you feel, so it doesn't matter if it's make-believe or if it's real. So whatever you're thinking or feeling, doesn't matter if it's make-believe or real, because your body doesn't know the difference between what's real and what you're thinking. It just assumes everything you're thinking is real. So whatever you think, whatever you feel, doesn't matter if it's make-believe or if it's real. Thoughts are things that go out into the unknown. We don't know where they go, to bring you back whatever you've sown, basically whatever you're vibrating. Positive thoughts vibrate high. Every thought has its own vibrational frequency. You want higher vibrational frequencies like love, compassion, joy, things like that. Negative thoughts vibrate low. Fear, anger, jealousy, rage, all those things are negative. Just focus on your own thoughts to see where your future will go. So your thoughts are going to tell you, because that's what you're vibrating at. That's what you're going to attract into your mind. Just focus on your own thoughts to see where your future will go. You see, your thoughts are a map of where you're headed, because that's where you want. That's where you're attracting, and your feelings decide if that direction is welcome or if it's dreaded. So if you're feeling positive, you know you're on the right path. You're attracting. Thoughts plus feelings equals manifestation. If it's negative feelings, but you want something positive, you're conflicting, you're attracting something different. So if that's not working, you got to change how you think to change how you feel. Oh, I'm thinking negative things. I need to start thinking positive things so I can feel positive. Thinking positive about what I want and the good feeling of already having that in my life. So you see what I'm saying? Change how you think to change how you feel, and watch how the universe attracts to you that which you have made real. So the universe will attract it to you. If you are vibrating it, the universe will start to attract it. And how does it attract it to you? In certain types of coincidences, strange meetings, different things that you come across, the universe will bring things that will cross your path in your life that will help to align and match whatever it is that you are focusing on. So if you can think it and you can feel it and you can stay focused on it long enough, you'll be able to use the law of attraction to get what you want. So I hope that's helpful for you, and I hope you're able to use that. If you want anything more, you can check out my website at joerapisarda.com, or look at the book at awakenyourpower.com on Amazon. Okay? Or Awaken Your Power on Amazon.com. Talk to you later. Bye.